Thank you for this opportunity to introduce SPMC. I'm DongChun Shin in Yonsei University, Director of School Particulate Matter Center for Energy and Environment Harmonization. SPMC is a national project funded by the Korean government on fine particulate matter management for school since last year. It is granted and co-sponsored by the Ministry of Science and ICT and Ministry of Education for 5 years. This project is to identify all characteristics related to particulate matter generation in schools, evaluate and analyze the health impact of particulate matter on students, to demonstrate ways to improve schools' customized air environment, and to implement our research findings into improving relevant laws and institutional system, and to build a big data system for optimal standardization and operation. The backgrounds are that younger students are so sensitive to particulate matter, which can cause various diseases, including respiratory ones. It is required to provide measures to reduce the level of particulate matter exposure and to control air quality in the areas where students spend most of their time. And also, as moderate exercise and activities should be encouraged to improve the health of our growing students, it is required also to develop an optimal air purification system. That's why our school's particulate matter management project is established and launched based on the use of renewable energy and the improvement of energy consumption efficiency. These are 6 research subjects, areas of research in our huge project, from basic to technological solution, and also making some policy proposal for law and institutional system upgrade. And we have also big data and AI system. I introduce the objectives of each study area with their key research contents one by one. This is an organizational chart of our SPMC. We have technical advisory committee and also secretariat. And as you saw on the previous slides, we have 6 areas of research. First, basic research 1 is conducted by Professor Youngmin Jo in Environmental Science and Engineering, Kyung University. The theme is characterization of school indoor particulate matter and emission source verification. The major research objectives are evaluation of indoor air pollutant characteristics in school and identify indoor transmission of outdoor fine dust, and also identification of characteristics of indoor particulate matter generation by evaluating the impact of school surroundings on fine dust contamination in schools. So his key research contents include measuring and analyzing chemical and biological components to characterize the particulate matter in school, and also studying spread of particulate matter in classroom using simulating chamber of school interior species, and also develop prediction models by measuring the infiltration and settling factors, and using LiDAR and sensors for impact assessment of fine dust emission source around schools. Second basic research is for the evaluation of students' health impact and intervention effect by characteristics of exposure by particulate matter in school. It is conducted by Professor Chang-Soo Kim in Preventive Medicine Department, Yonsei University College of Medicine. His major research objectives are analysis of risk through assessing health impacts of particulate matter on students, and also analysis of present condition of PM in schools by analyzing air purification facilities and operation patterns. His key research contents include full-scale survey for elementary school students for 5 years and build up panels, and periodic medical checkup for that panel with questionnaires, and also exposure assessment on the area where students spend most of the time, and comparison of students' health before and after using app, which can change behavior of the students, and also air purifying devices. So analysis of PM's long and short-term impact and assessment of disease treatment is possible. And thirdly, we have engineering solution, engineering study for the newly built school. It's named Integrated Management. Is pursuing development of clean air ventilation system linked indoor-outdoor heat and air environment with new and renewable energy. It is conducted by Dr. Chunman Chang, who is a senior research fellow, tenured fellow in Korea Institute of Civil Engineering and Building Technology. Major objectives are achieving 30% of renewable energy usage on newly built schools, keeping fine particulate matter concentration level, PM2.5, well below WHO ambient standard, and also indoor noise level below 45 decibel. And he is developing a hybrid filter which keep pressure loss quite low, below 30 to 150 Pascal, and achieving energy efficiency for the buildings. So with these all activities, he can implement this all on 2 newly built schools with specifications. So his key research contents are following these objectives. And another technology study research is for the existing school. It named Diagnosis and Improvement, pursuing consultation on air environment improvement according to school type and demonstration of customized air environment improvement plan. It is conducted by Professor Taeyeon Kim, Architectural Engineering in Yonsei University. Its major objectives are developing SOP for consulting air environment, and also developing comprehensive diagnosis system based on numerical analysis, and operating 5 IoT-based living labs for existing schools. So ultimately building a database based on the result of consulting, demonstration, and operation of living labs. So research contents are comprehensive diagnosis system and consulting process and improving plans, and also IoT sensor and living lab. The fifth area of research of our SPMC is a laws and institution upgrade. So we can make policy proposal for this. So the title is Establishment of School Particulate Matter Management System by Professor Young Lim. He is a research professor in College of Medicine, Yonsei University. So research objectives are firstly, revision of School Health Act and related systems, and setting a standard for accreditation of school type air purification system, and also developing school particulate matter managing tools and educational programs. So key research contents are analysis and setting up policy directions of the current laws and systems for school particulate matter management, and financial support in energy and environmental sectors by developing the actual environmental certification system for school type air purification system, and also developing toolkit and also developing educational material programs and management programs, and making and operating a public-private consultative bodies related to school air purification system. So, and finally, we have big data and AI system for developing techniques for big data collection, processing, and analysis. It is done by Jae-hyun Kim, Computer Engineering Department, Seogyung University. His major research objectives are firstly, establishment of energy environment linked fine dust big data solution, and developing the AI-based school customized energy environment linked particulate matter management and integrated support system. So key research contents include developing a e-coding book for the big data and big data of school customized energy and environment and suggestion of utilizing it, and also developing and analyzing a predicting system based on AI, and developing school customized smart service application. I'd like to wrap up air pollution, indoor air pollution in school is a real public health crisis in Korea nowadays. So it is very important to conduct a study, effective and efficient study to protect younger students' health. So ultimately, we will make healthier air or healthiest air for healthy school by convergence on engineering technology and public health to reduce air pollution in school areas. So we need to discuss future research directions and together and exchange our latest knowledge and mutual cooperation in regard to healthier air for healthy school with eminent experts in Asia and also Europe as well. So to make clean school environment by raising public awareness of particulate matter in school and continuously reflecting schools' feedback for further improvement. Thank you all the speakers in this forum. We learned a lot from your presentations. What is issues and solutions in each country? We would like to make continuing collaboration on this field for the health of children and younger students. If you'd like to have more information and discussion, please visit SPMC workshop session in this IndoorAir 2020 conference. Thank you very much.